Tired of viewing homes that will take lots of work after you move in? This home is entirely updated. Full replacement of A/C, new kitchen and appliances, new laminate flooring, new sprinkler system. Home is in immaculate condition. Great Attiscue City location with community pool and park. Both along with the elementary school a short walking distance. Close to everything. This one needs to be on your list.